pulling the floor in.
Okay. Here we go now. You want to, on the floor? We're going to go this way like that, or the way you want to take it. We're going to lay it down, the paint on the solid. Yeah, because I want to tape all this back first before I start doing any body work. That's why I'm so surprised they got so fucked up.
Oh, this is pretty good in here. Walking along good. There we go. Coming along good. I'm gonna have to put a few more self-tackers in here, and then I'll just keep working my way around. I'm just welded some over here, just moving the heat around. I don't want anything to twist and warp and get out of shape here. Give you an update in a little bit there. Bye for now.